pineapple upside down cake. Here comes our pineapple slices. Next come our cherries. And of course, half cup of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Right? And this is for our topping. Okay? So melt the butter, guys, add your sugar and pack it tightly. Remember to pack it tightly, okay? So guys, I pop my sugar tightly with the butter and sugar right there, packed tightly, right? I'm just doing a simple design for my pineapple upside down cake. You could do whatever design you like to do with your pineapple and cherries. Okay, then after I finish my design, I'm gonna mix the butter for my pineapple upside down cake. Up next is our ingredients for the cake batter. Here we have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, then we have 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and here I'm using 2 small eggs. You could use a large egg if you have. And next we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and half cup of granulated sugar and 1 stick of unsalted butter. So now I'm gonna cream my butter and my sugar together, right? And then I'm gonna add my eggs, right? I'm gonna add one at a time. I'm gonna add my egg one at a time, guys. Right? And mix it in. Yes, get it all fluffy and nice. Add another egg. And then I'm gonna add my vanilla shortly. And guys, I'm using a HeatSoft technology hand mixer. Very simple and very helpful. You could check the description for the link to this mixer right here. So now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, which is our flour, baking powder and salt. I already mixed my baking powder and my salt with my flour together, right? So you're gonna add portion by portion and mix into your batter and cut and fold, right? That's what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna add our pineapple juice because you want it to have the pineapple flavor. So it's best you use your pineapple to juice, right, as liquid. So cut and fold, right, guys? Cut and fold, right? So I'm using 2/3 cups of pineapple juice right here, and I'm making a 9-inch upside down pineapple cake. Okay, so this is the texture you want for your batter. Look at it, guys. All right, you're gonna place it in the middle and use your spatula to spread it all over in your pan. Right, get it all level and even. And this pineapple cake takes 40 minutes to bake, right? So 35 to 40 minutes and you have yourself a pineapple upside down cake. Now we're gonna place it in the oven. Okay, so now we take after 40 minutes exact. This is how my cake look, and I waited 15 minutes to remove the pan, right? Okay, so it's still hot, you understand? And then I'm gonna cut a slice. It's hot, but I have to cut a slice. Looking so lovely, guys. I'll tell you how it tastes. Mmm. Very delicious, guys. Very nice.